With M2E sales channels, you can forget all about time-consuming manual inventory updates. The app synchronizes inventory between Catalog and Amazon, eBay, or Walmart in real time, and you have 3 options to do so. No matter which option you choose, the app will automatically keep your product data updated on channels. Let's go over every option in detail so you can pick the one that suits your needs. The first option is to update your inventory directly in Catalog. It is the simplest way to keep it up to date on channels, especially if you have a small catalog or you don't have to make many changes often. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, go to the Catalog Items tab. Simply click on the product card to access the item's details. From there, you can update various information, such as the price, quantity, and other relevant details. The changes you make will be synced with the channels where this product is listed. The second option is to use a CSV file for bulk updates. It is the most efficient way to update multiple products at once. Let's take a look. When you need to make bulk changes, make sure that you are in the Catalog Items tab. To export your inventory in a CSV file, click on the Export button on top of the grid. Select which fields you want to update and export the file with your products. The app will notify you about the result of the export via email, and you'll be able to download the file directly in your inbox. Once you're ready, import the updated CSV file back into Catalog, and it will automatically apply the changes to your products. If you are using external software to manage your inventory, the third option is for you. You can connect your software to our catalog through API and use it to update your inventory on Amazon, eBay, or Walmart. Here's how it works. Navigate to the Settings tab and click on the button to enable API access. After that, the app will generate the token. Make sure to copy and save it in a safe place because you'll only be able to see it once. Then, follow the steps outlined in our API documentation to complete the integration. The status of your API access will change to enabled if you've done everything correctly. If needed, you can disable the API access at any time. Thank you for watching. Lead your business to the future of e-commerce with M2E Cloud today.